So if you guys are wondering, I now am on day 10 of my oil. I used the red peeling oil. These are what my legs are looking like. It's doing a pretty good job of peeling. And I thought I would show you what I do, or like how I apply. I've already showed you guys my arms. I don't know how well you can see, but anyways, that's what we're working with. So day 10, I'm just gonna apply some more to my knees. The first time I ever did this peel, which was 3 months ago, my knees were really the only things that didn't peel, and I guess it is a well-known fact that knees are kind of harder to peel. As you see, they have started, which I'm very excited. I'm just adding on one more layer just to make sure. So first off, you want to make sure that you have showered for the day. So if you shower at night, then I would say, honestly, I would apply, because you're only applying the oil 3 times a day for 3 days, or you could apply it 3 times a day for 4 days. It just depends how your skin reacts. This time around, since it's my second time doing the peel, I applied it for 4 days. And yeah, it's doing good, but like I said, out of all the places on my body, it's just the knees. I'm just gonna really make sure that everything peels off. And so now I'm on day 10, and the peeling is going great. But let's just pretend like this is day 1. So this is literally what I do on day 1. I just use a regular, like a plastic cup, something that has a lid, and then I pour out some of the oil into it. And this is gonna make it easier to use my applicator brush, because as you see, you can't really get an applicator brush down in there. So just pour just a little bit. A little goes a long way. When I was doing this 10 days ago, I had it like up to here. So, I mean, even just out of one bottle, I still have up to here out of this bottle. So I'll definitely be able to do more peels in the future, because a little goes a long way. And so use an applicator brush. This is just like, I don't know what they call these. This is like what you use to like rub barbecue sauce on like chicken and stuff, but it's just what I'm using. You can get other ones that are actually for putting on oil, like on their website or on Amazon. But anyways, this is what I have. And then I just put it in here and I just apply it like this. So right now I'm just gonna apply it to my knee because most of the skin around it has peeled off. I'm just making sure that my knees are going to be looking as amazing as the rest of my skin will. As you can see, the bottom of my legs have started peeling, so I feel like by day 16, by 17, I should have a nice even peel, and we'll be able to see all of the new skin. So yeah, after that's done, you just put a lid on it, because like I said, if you're applying it 3 times a day for 3 or 4 days, you know, you're gonna have to reuse it. And so usually I just let it sit in, or sometimes like I'll massage it into my skin. Usually if you're gonna like do your arms too, I use like the bottom of my arm to massage the oil into my skin, just because if you use your hands will start peeling too. So most people don't want to peel the underside of their hands. Like, you know, they usually want to do like the top and by the knuckles. So anyways, just massage with whatever part of your skin you're okay with having the oil on, because it will make them peel. Or just make sure like you wash your hands afterwards. But anyways, that's why like you're supposed to use like a little applicator, so you're not getting it places where you don't want your skin to peel. And sometimes it'll take like 15 minutes or 20 minutes to soak into my skin. After that, you can go in for a second application, or you could wait a few hours and then do the second application. But when I was doing this peel 10 days ago, I did put this oil all over my skin 3 separate times, 4 days in a row. And yeah, that's what gets everything going. I was kind of wondering if I should do this under part of my arm or not. As you can see, there's a big difference in color, with this being the old skin that's peeling and this is the new skin. So I'm trying to figure out if I should put a little more oil down here. I mean, like I said, it's been 10 days. So that's literally all I do. I don't rinse it off or anything. You just leave it on your skin for the rest of the day until the next time you take a shower. For me, that'll be tomorrow. If you're trying to do it 3 days in a row or 4 days in a row, then you just literally, repeat this entire thing for 3 or 4 days. Obviously, I don't need to repeat because I was just doing touch-ups because my skin is already peeling and it's going great, and I don't want to overwork my skin.